Hey everyone, Vic here, and this is a quick review and setup of the Fosi Audio BT30D Bluetooth uh, amplifier setup. And I'll go ahead and set it up with Alexa also. So it's a solid device, okay? Feels good construction, and it's got your regular input. It's got subwoofer out if you're going with the wired non-amplified subwoofer. I'll be connecting it here. So you got your antenna. It's got the on-off switch, toggle switch, and it has an LED light to let you know that you are connected. So let's go ahead and get it set up. I went ahead and got these connected up. These banana plugs I also found on Amazon that I converted these wired speaker wires into the banana plugs, and it made it much cleaner. I've got everything set up and installed. Now let's go ahead and power it on. I've got my wires and the transformer inside the original box it came in, just to kind of keep things neat. And let's go ahead and power it on. You'll see that light, LED light came on. And now we should go ahead and be able to connect to Alexa. What you want to do is you want to go to Alexa settings.
Here's settings.
Oh, I found it already. So tap to pair. Alexa, Van Morrison radio on Amazon Music. Alexa, volume 7. Okay, you can't really hear it. Let's go look at the settings, the volume settings on the device. There we go. We're all the way down in the settings. Alexa, volume 1. Now these are the speakers I got. These are JBL 8-inch ceiling speakers. Okay, I've got four of them. So the amplifier is about 15 feet away from the Alexa device, and it connected instantly. And the Fosi Audio is inside a kitchen cabinet with the setup already done, wiring and all that. So all in all, I would say it's a quick setup. So with that, I hope it helps. Check the links below and for the products reviewed, and we'll see you in the next one.